Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making buffalo chicken sliders. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need slider buns, chicken breast, bacon, pepper jack, butter, buttermilk, flour, cornstarch, buffalo sauce, ranch, season all, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Begin by slicing chicken breast at an angle or cut into fours. Season chicken breast with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Next, place the chicken to the side while we make our marinade. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of buffalo sauce, and season with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Whisk. Add chicken to the marinade. Cover and marinate for 4 hours up to overnight. After marinating the chicken, we're going to set the oven to 400 degrees and bake our bacon for 18 minutes or until crispy. For the breading, add 1.5 cups of flour and 3/4 cups of cornstarch to a bowl. Season with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Whisk until combined. Now it's time to bread the chicken. Remove the chicken from the marinade, place in a dry batter, shake off any excess batter, and place on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Fry chicken for 4 to 6 minutes. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add a cup of buffalo sauce and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Toss the chicken in buffalo sauce. Now let's begin prepping our sandwich. Cut a slice of pepper jack cheese into fours. Slice the sliders down the middle. Spread ranch on the bottom buns. Add buffalo chicken, bacon, pepper jack cheese, and top bun. Spread melted butter on the top of the bun and bake for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. And there you have it, buffalo chicken sliders. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.